Step into the 2008 BMW 5 Series 535i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: trip computer, cruise control, AM/FM stereo, passenger adjustable lumbar, power mirror, keyless entry, power door locks, and 4-wheel disc brakes. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.